We've all heard that love makes people do crazy things, but new psychology research suggests that simply being reminded of romance can subconsciously make you take bigger risks. A researcher in China wanted to investigate if romantic thoughts change how we make decisions about safety and rules. The theory is that because we culturally view love as an uncontrollable force, encountering romantic cues makes us feel less in control of ourselves. The study suggests that this feeling of losing control spills over into other parts of our lives, making us more impulsive. To test this, the researcher ran 4 different experiments using words, images, and stories. In one experiment, students who looked at words related to dating and weddings reported a much higher willingness to take risks compared to those who saw neutral words. Another experiment showed people romantic advertisements before offering them a choice between 2 gifts, a safe garden tour or a bungee jumping experience. People who saw the romantic ads were significantly more likely to pick the bungee jump. But the findings suggest these risks aren't just physical, they can be ethical too. In a third test, people who read a romantic story were actually more interested in clicking on a link about how to get away with bribery. The data showed that these romantic reminders temporarily lowered the participants' sense of self-control. However, the study also found a way to block this effect. When people read romantic stories in a library, a place we associate with quiet discipline, they stopped taking those extra risks. This suggests that while romance might make us a bit reckless, being in a structured environment can help us stay grounded. Find a link to the full SciPost article in the comments if you want to read more about the details of this study.